Today, I want to show you something I'm absolutely in love with, and that is this Lora here. Specifically, that image was posted to my live stream last time, and I am in love with this image. It's so artistic, expressive, playful, beautiful. And you can do something like that yourself because this Lora has been trained on different artistic styles. So it is the XL more artful XL Real Enhancer Lora, and of course that also means this is meant to be used with the SDXL model, but you can do some really amazing stuff. This can remind you of Midjourney, but I think it also goes beyond that. Look at this expressiveness, the details, the beautiful colors. This model just has written art and creativity all over it. And what I also love about it is that it finds all these creative and beautiful solutions that are inspired by all kinds of different art styles and just have a wonderful playfulness to them. So of course, as always, I'm going to advise you to look here on the right side on Civet AI to have a look at the prompt, the negative prompt, the settings that have been used, specifically the sampler and the model that has been used, and then try with these settings to start and then adjust them to get more playful and deeper into the use of that Lora. Of course, as always, you click here on the big blue download button and you download that right into your automatic 1111 folder, in there into the models folder, and in there of course into the Lora folder. Now, as soon as you boot up your automatic 1111, you can enter all of your settings in here as usual. Of course, up here you want to select an SDXL model, and then if you have the 1.6 version of automatic 1111, down here you have a refiner area where you want to select the SDXL refiner model, and it's automatically set to switch at 0.8, so that should be okay. Also in the 1.6 version of automatic 1111, you have these tabs up here. One of them is the Lora tab. You can use the search function here to look for art, and as you can see here, I have the XL More Artful Beta 2 model. When you click on that, this is going to be added to your positive prompt. After that, just play around with all kinds of prompts and ideas. Look at the amazing, beautiful images I got from this. I love the playfulness, the craziness, the out-of-the-worldness this model can create. And the artistic style is just so beautiful. I can't express enough how much I'm in love with the results of this Lora. So my friends, check out this Lora because the next live stream coming Sunday is gonna be about art and AI. We're gonna talk about that. I hopefully have some guests where we can have kind of a podcast situation, and then we're also gonna review your art. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and see you soon. Bye. Oh, you're still here. So this is the end screen. There's other stuff you can watch like this or that. It's really cool. And yeah, I hope I see you soon. Leave a like if you haven't yet. And well, yeah.